everyone, it's great to have you in this math tutorial. Today, I will teach you the short way to add dissimilar fractions using butterfly method. Yes, you heard it right, butterfly method. It's easy and fun once you've learned this method. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. For the first example, we have 1/5 plus 2/3. The first step that we need to do is to cross multiply. So let's draw an ellipse to multiply the numbers 1 and 3. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Let's write the product 3 on top of 1. Then, next step is to multiply the other side. So draw again an ellipse to multiply the numbers 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Let's write 10 on top of 2. Next, let's multiply the denominators 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So let's write 15. Since they have the same denominator now, we can easily add the fractions. Let's write first the denominator 15. Then copy the numerator 3 plus 10 equals, okay, so 3 plus 10 equals 13. Then copy denominator 15. So we have 13, 15. Is the answer in the lowest term? Yes, it is in the lowest term. So this is the final answer. So let's try another one. We have 3/4 plus 1/2. Same steps. First, let's do the cross multiply. Let's multiply the 3 and 2. The answer is 6. Then, let's multiply the other side. We have 4 times 1, and the answer is 4. Next, let's multiply the denominators. We have 4 times 2. The answer is 8. So we have the same denominator. We can add them now. Let's write first the denominator 8. Then copy the numerator 6, the plus sign, and then 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Then copy the denominator 8. Is this the final answer? What do you think? No. Since the answer is in improper fraction, when you say improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. We need to change it into mixed numbers. So how do we do it? Let's divide. How many 8 are there in 10? Only 1, right? Then, what's next? Let's subtract 8 from 10. So 10 minus 8, the answer is 2. So that will be our numerator. And then, the 8, the denominator, just copy it. So, is this the final answer? What do you think? No, not yet. Because 2/8 is still big fraction. Okay, we can still simplify 2/8. Okay, so 2/8, 2 and 8 are divisible by what number? 2. Yes, both of them are even numbers. So let's divide 2/8 to 2/2. Okay, so but don't forget to write the whole number 1. Okay, now let's divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Is this the final answer? 1 and 1/4? Yes, this is the final answer. Okay, are you enjoying? Okay, let's try another one. So here, let's have 1/6 plus 1/7. Same steps, cross multiply. 1 times 7 is 7, and then 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, then what's next? Multiply the denominators. 6 times 7 is 42. Now, what's next? We can add them now. So, copy the denominator 42. Now, add the numerators 7 plus 6. Okay, so what's the answer? 7 plus 6 is 13. Then copy denominator 42. So, is this the final answer? What do you think? Yes, it is the final answer because the fraction is in the simplest form. Okay, I know you are enjoying the butterfly method. You can do this method even in subtraction. Okay, let's have the last example. We have 4/5 plus 2/6. What's the first step? Correct. Cross multiply. So what are we going to cross multiply? Yes, the 4 times 6, which is 24. Then, what's next? The other side. 2 times 5 is 10. What's next? The denominators. Correct. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, then add. So, copy the denominator 30, then the numerator is 24 plus 10. Okay, so 24 plus 10 is 34. Then copy denominator 30. So, we have 34, 30. Is this the final answer? No, it is not the final answer because the answer, the fraction, is in improper fraction. So what are we going to do? Let's change it into mixed numbers. Okay, so what are we going to do? Divide, yes. Okay, so how many 30 are there in 34? It's only one. Correct, it's one. Then let's subtract numerator, then the denominator. So 34 minus 30, you will get 4. And then copy the 30. We have now 1 and 4/30. Is this final? No, very good. Let's reduce 4/30 into simplest form. Yeah, we can still simplify this fraction. So, in what number are they divisible? Correct. It's 2. Both of them are even numbers. So, let's divide them by 2. So, don't forget the whole number 1. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then, 30 divided by 2 is 15. So, 1 and 2, 15. Is this final? Yes, it is. Okay. That's the final answer, 1 and 2, 15. Good job, everyone. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial.